many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me, cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more, don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. These pussy niggas put money on my head. Gone, get your refund, motherfucker, I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt that ain't been found. I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I rhyme, something special happen every time. I'm the greatest, something like Ali in his prime. I walk the block with the bundles, I've been knocked on the humble. Swing the ox when I rumble, show your ass with my gun. Gotta tip a nigga, go ahead, lose your head. Turn your back on me, get clapped and lose your legs. I walk around, gun on my waist, chip on my shoulder till I bust a clip in your face. Pussy, this beef ain't over. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more, don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men, many men wish death. Sunny days wouldn't be special if it wasn't for rain. Joy wouldn't feel so good if it wasn't for pain. Death gotta be easy, cause life is hard. It'll leave you physically, mentally, and emotionally scarred. This is for my niggas on the block, pussy treating cigars. For the niggas on lock, doing life behind bars. I don't see only dogs to judge me, cause I see things clear. Put these crackers and give my black ass 100 years. I'm like,
what it do, E-World? Crisscrossing wires. We out here on this cold ass day.
Let niggas ride on me. I thought we was cool. Why you want me to die?
Just chilling. Taking a little cruise on the beast.
Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. Have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men. Many men. Every night I talk to God, but he don't say nothing back. I know he protected me, but I still stay with my gat and my nightmares. Niggas keep pulling checks on me. Cypher said some bitch done put a hex on me. The Fed didn't know much when Pop got shot. I got a kite from the pins that told me tuck got knocked. I ain't gonna spell it out for you motherfuckers all the time. Are you a literate nigga? You can't read between the lines. In the Bible it says, what goes around comes around. Mama shot me, 3 weeks later he got shot down. Now it's clear that I'm here for a real reason. Cause he got hit like I got hit, but he ain't fucking breathing. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more, don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men, many men wish death on me.
These niggas ain't got no motion. 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 I'm cutting half homies out my circle. They send me automatically dessert to this big earth with a god nerd. Be real careful like kids curfew. Them false words pushing little niggas to sleep quick as the moss bird from close range. Changes. You write it deep in front of fingers, then that explains us. The tax strangers, dogs chained up, consume you with massive danger. No use if you average paint. Your whole crew, we the last crusaders. Cruella de Vil, get them spotted up in the head with the paws. Bring the industry to a step in the mission involves. Right, made them swim with the sharp shit. These niggas ain't got no motion. 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 Can't stop the movement. Inertia, my rap's Isaac Newton. True, it's that fluid, proven we better than our influence. It's thicker than influenza. The difference is incidental. You niggas are common cold as the prison that I stick you into. See your body rotting. Behind me lies a bubonic posse. Modified to overthrow God. We zombies about to cough and kill all angels in my sight. Night's dark as the Antichrist. Andy up, you know the price. We can't afford to pay it. Your freedom, Lord, is forsaken. His flames morbid as Satan is. His souls need saving. We taking off in the basement. These niggas ain't got no motion. 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 Uppercut him to his fucking lip. I'm on some other shit. Punches to his face sound like some thunder hit. I'm done with him. Mop him up at 10 speed. Put your mind in the rush. Your shit gears with a limited use of clear proof. When your time ain't enough, I'll be the villain with a dominant clutch on all light forms. Y'all turn a bitch off when the lights on. Oh, ugly ass. Unseen when the thugs be at. Unclean as a fiend when the drugs react. The lights gone. Cause I'm drowning like cars. One more move, you found the right one. Those are fools that got the pipe off. So more truths to crown is my son. We shining. So we talking gyms without a bench press. A treadmill. So tread softly because the leg kills. I've been stressed. Cause you know I'm mad for the bread. Still complex skills reflex. Leaving the world dread filled. These niggas ain't got no motion. 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 These niggas ain't got no motion.
Shenandoah. Ma'am, where inside the house are you? Oh my God. Where inside the house are you? In my room. They're in my room. Ma'am, calm down. Deputies are on the way. Is the door locked?
Fuck out of here, man.
Fight that motherfucker.
Sean Don and I'm all the best, cause I got it going on. I'm a nice dude with some nice dreams. See these ice cubes, see these ice creams. Eligible bachelor, $1 million bow. That's whiter than what's spilling down your throat. The phantom, exterior like fish eggs, the interior like suicide wrist rag. I can exercise you, this could be your phys ed. Cheat on your man, man, that's how you get a his ad. Killer with the B, I know killers in the street with the still to make you feel like chinchilla in the heat. So don't try to run up on my ear talking all that raspy shit. Trying to ask me shit. When my bigger vest, they ain't gonna pass me shit. You should think about it, take a second. Matter of fact, you should take 4B and think before you fuck a little skateboard B. When the pimp's in the crib, mom, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot. And if it get an attitude, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean Don and I'm all the best, cause I got it going on. I'm a gangster, but y'all knew that. The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep a blue flag hanging out my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the side. Ain't no other way to play the game the way I play. I cut so much you thought I was a DJ. 2, 1, yep, 3. SC and double OP, Ego double G. I can't fake it, just break it. And when I take it, see, I specialize in making all the girls get naked. So bring your friends, all of y'all come inside. We got a world premiere right here, now get live. So don't change the diesel, turn it up a little. I got a living room full of fine dime bristles, waiting on the pizzle, the dizzle, and the shizzle. G's to the bizac, now ladies, here we kiss 'em. When the pimp's in the crib, mom, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot. And if it get an attitude, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean Don and I'm all the best, cause I got it going on. I'm a bad boy with a lot of drive my own cars and wear my own clothes. I hang out tough, I'm a real boss. Big Snoop Dogg, yeah, he's so sharp. On the TV screen and in the magazines. If you play me close, you want a red beam. Oh, you gotta, so you wanna pop back? Now, stop that. Cement shoes, now I'm on the move. Your family's crying, now you on the news. They can't find you, now they miss you. What's that issue. Baby, come close. Let me see how you get me. When the pimp's in the crib, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. When the get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean Don and I'm all the best, cause I got it going on. Something for my godson Elijah and a little girl named Corinne. Some say the blacker the better, the sweeter the juice. I say the darker the flesh and the deeper the roots. I give my honor to my sisters on welfare, Tupac kids, if don't nobody else care. And I know they like to beat you down a lot. When you come around the block, brothers clown a lot. But please don't cry, dry your eyes, never let up. Forgive, but don't forget, girl, keep your head. And when he tells you you ain't nothing, don't believe him. And if you can't learn to love you, you should leave him. Cause sister, you don't need him. And I ain't trying to gas you up, I just call him how I see. You know what makes me ask that? Brothers make babies and leave a young mother to be a cat. And since we all came from a woman, got our name from a woman, and I came from a woman. I wonder why we take from our women, why we rape our women, do we hate our women? I think it's time to kill for our women, time to heal our women, be real to our women. And if we don't, we'll have a race of babies that will hate the ladies that make the babies. Yeah, baby. up. I know you're fed up, ladies, but keep your head up.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get easy. Keep your head up. Ooh, child, things will get brighter.
Keep your head up.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get easy. Keep your head up. Ooh, child, things will get brighter.
Hey yo, I remember Marvin Gaye used to sing to me. He had me feeling like black was the thing to be. And suddenly the ghetto didn't seem so tough. And though we had it rough, we always had enough. I huffed and puffed about my curfew and broke the rules. Ran with the local crew and had a smoke or two. I realized mama really paid the price. She nearly gave her life to raise me right. And all I had to give her was my pipe dream of how I rock the mic and make it to the right screen. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. It's hard to be legit and still pay your rent. And in the end, it seems I'm heading for the pen. I try to find my friends, but they're blowing in the wind. Last night, my buddy lost his whole family. It's gonna take the man in me to conquer this insanity. It seems the rain will never let up. I try to keep my head up and still keep from getting wetter. You know it's funny when it rains, it pours. They got money for wars, but can't feed the poor. Said it ain't no hope for the youth. It ain't no hope for the future.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is my 32 kilowatt crisscrossing wire made bomber clone. Any questions, inbox me. I have a Facebook page, Crisscrossing Wires, and a group called eWorld on Facebook. Anyone can join. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I am selling these bikes with whatever power system you want. You know, whatever you can handle. You can start off with a small 72 volt 40 amp hour with Sabaton 72 150. And as long as you get a QS273, this bike will always be upgradable. You can always upgrade the controller and the battery over time. Right now, I'm running 20S 16P with the capability of being 20P. I had a 20P on board. It was a little too tight up in there, so I had to remove 4P. But yeah, 16P is actually enough. When I'm racing, I add on the extra 4P if necessary. All right, y'all, take it easy, take care. Crisscrossing Wires. This is my my DIY bomber clone. Deuces. We out. Crooked Finger Production. Peace.